Hey, this is Sammy again. Here's a question that a lot of students don't like because of that leading coefficient, the 3 in front of the x squared that you cannot factor out. I know a lot of you learned how to do this using decomposition, but definitely there's a way that's a lot easier and a lot faster. It takes a little bit to learn it, but once you learn it, you don't want to go back to decomposition anymore because you'll start flying through these. Okay, so watch and see how it's done. So to be able to do this the fast and easy way that I told you, the first thing you have to do is multiply the 3 into that 5. And when you do that, you're going to get x squared minus 8x plus 15. Now remember that 3 that you multiplied into the 5. So that 3, you have to keep track of it because you have to use it later. So now when you look at this, this is a lot easier to factor. So now this factors into x minus 3 and x minus 5, because negative 3 times negative 5 give you positive 15, and negative 3 plus negative 5 will give you negative 8. So some of you who forgot what multiplies to give you 15 and adds to give you negative 8, and that's how we get these two numbers. So the next thing is that 3 that I said, don't forget that 3 that's there. Now this has to come back to action where you have to take that 3, divide both of these numbers by it. And therefore, 3 divided by 3 here will give you 1. So that's going to become x minus 1. This doesn't divide, and don't write it in decimals, but don't leave it like this. All you need to do is take this 3 right here, shove it right in front of the x right there. And so what it'll give you 3x minus 5. And now let's say you're not convinced. So let's take this, the x minus 1 and the 3x minus 5. Foil this. So now let's multiply this into here, and then into there, and then move the negative, multiply the negative 1 into here, and multiply the negative 1 into there. So x times 3x, you're going to get 3x squared. X times negative 5, you're going to get negative 5x. Negative 1 times 3, you're going to get negative 3x. And negative 1 times negative 5, you're going to get plus 5. Now collect like terms. Minus 8x there and plus 5, which is exactly that. Now, one thing I must tell you though, this equation and this equation are not the same. This is just a little shortcut that we do to help us factor this a lot faster. But never think this equation and this equation are the same. It's just a kind of, we're cheating to make this easier, and then the 3 comes back into action, and then this is factored. I will give you one to try on your own. So here's one that you could try on your own and practice with. And your final answer should be 2x plus 1 x minus 4. That should be your final answer. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with family and friends, subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye, and Happy New Year to all of you. All the best.